Someone once said, there is no right kind of marriage. The couple involved need to make it right. What makes a marriage work is something of a mystery because every marriage is unique. Still, there are ingredients love, trust, compatibility, understanding, etc. that can make it stronger. Some people fall in love and then get married. Others who have had an arranged marriage tie the knot after meeting each other just a couple of times. And most do it without even being in love or knowing much about each other. Does it mean people in an arranged marriage are less likely to be in love or find love compared to their counterparts who took the vows after becoming the victim of Cupid? It's a big no. If you are having an arranged marriage, then there will be a certain part of you that would feel skeptical about it. You will have a tinge of disappointment that you never got to be in love or marry the one you love. You'll find yourself asking the question, did I experience love in an arranged marriage? The answer to this would be yes, if you try. Let me spill the secrets. Love often happens when you get to know a person more and more. Don't start by expecting all cheesy romance from the start of a relationship. Be friends, know each other, let it grow. Don't try to change him or her. Don't stress about something he or she does that you don't like. Accepting each other's differences is the first step towards understanding. In an arranged marriage, people often take their partners for granted. If you want to develop love in arranged marriage, then you need to treat it with the same care as you do when in love. Trust is the most important founder of a relationship. So don't try to build trust with words instead of earning it with your action. For love to develop in an arranged marriage or any other relationship, you should be ready to give more than what you get. Remember, love is not always 50-50. Love isn't only about how you treat him or her, it's also about how you treat your in laws. Treat your in laws with respect and love. That will show your sincerity towards the new relationships that come along with a marriage. It seems a bit awkward to suddenly share a bed with someone, even after getting married. So try to speak about your concerns, needs, or consent about a sexual relationship with your husband or wife before making a move. Yes, in arranged marriages, both of you are supposed to put in a lot of effort to build up a bond and trust. But I guess that you do even when you normally fall in love and then marry. Agreed that in arranged marriage you are given a very short period, but that doesn't alter your love or the process of falling in love. In Indian society, where the existence of arranged marriage is superior to that of love marriage, it is quite common for strangers to get married to each other under the guidance of their parents. With the blessings of parents' financial security and the same cultural beliefs, arranged marriages are proven to be more secure among couples. Especially during the festive season, matchmaking happens to take center stage as more people socialize and families look out for their children in terms of finding love for them. But little did they realize that to love and marry is quite different in certain ways than to marry and love. So, it has always been a bit challenging for Indian adults to find love in an arranged marriage, even after trying hard. Most of the time, they believed it's quite impossible to find love in an arranged marriage, that they didn't even try to acquire love. But we believe whether it's a love marriage or arranged marriage, we all deserve to be loved. And that is necessary to make an arranged marriage pleasing and lovable is the readiness to take steps towards the expression of love. So, if you wish to seek guidance on how to lead a happy married life, do talk to our experts at EduPsych. Our relationship counseling or premarital counseling will grant your wish of love in your arranged marriage. And if you're already married to him or her and trying to figure out how to find love, then our marital counseling could be the answer for you. And remember, a perfect marriage is two imperfect people who refuse to give up on each other. And it is the strongest part of any relationship.